Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about example of moments, cueness and courtesies. So before going to direct example, we are discussing about some important formulae which are required for solving example of moments, cueness and courtesies. So let's see. First formula is mu r is equal to 1 upon n summation f in bracket x minus x bar bracket raised to r, where mu r is the moment about arithmetic mean or central moment. Second one is mu r dash. Mu r dash is equal to 1 upon n summation f in bracket x minus a bracket raised to r, where mu r dash is the moment about arbitrary mean or convenient mean. Here another formula for mu r dash, that is mu r dash is equal to h raised to r 1 upon n summation f u raised to r. In that h is the class width, r is the moment which we want, and f is the frequency. So third one is mu r and mu r dash relationship. In that mu r is equal to mu r dash minus rc1 mu r minus 1 dash into mu 1 dash plus rc2 mu r minus 2 dash into mu 1 dash square up to minus 1 raised to r into mu 1 dash raised to r. If we put r is equal to 2 in above relation, then we will get mu 2 is equal to mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash square. If you put r is equal to 3 in above equation, then we get mu 3 is equal to mu 3 dash minus 3 mu 2 dash into mu 1 dash plus 2 mu 1 dash cube. If we put r is equal to 4 in above equation, then we will get mu 4 is equal to mu 4 dash minus 4 mu 3 dash into mu 1 dash plus 6 mu 2 dash into mu 1 dash square minus 3 mu 1 dash raised to 4, where mu 2, mu 3 and mu 4 are the central moments. Mu 2 is the second central moment, mu 3 is the third central moment, and mu 4 is the fourth central moment. After central moments, here we can see formula for beta 1 and beta 2. Beta 1 is the coefficient of skewness, that is beta 1 is equal to mu 3 square upon mu 2 cube, and beta 2 is courtesies coefficient, and beta 2 is equal to mu 4 upon mu 2 square. For finding beta 1 and beta 2, we required central moment mu 2, mu 3 and mu 4. So let's see the example of moments, cueness and courtesies. So question is, calculate the first 4 moments about the mean of a given distribution. Also find beta 1 and beta 2. In that, values of x is given and respective frequencies are given. In question, here we can see calculate first 4 moments about the mean. Means we have to find the 4 central moments and also find beta 1, that is coefficient of skewness, and beta 2 is the courtesies coefficient. For finding that, let's see the solution of the example. Taking a is equal to 3.5, means convenient mean is a is equal to 3.5, h is equal to 0.5, where h is the class width. Means here we can see the difference between two respective classes is known as class width. That is, here we can see 2.5 minus 2 is difference is 0.5, and in between 3 and 2.5 difference is 0.5. So here class width is h is equal to 0.5 and u is equal to x minus a upon h, where a is the 3.5 here we put, and h is equal to 0.5 here we put. So u is equal to x minus 3.5 upon 0.5. So for finding coefficient beta 1 and beta 2, we require 4 central moments, and for finding 4 central moments, we require the moment about arbitrary mean, that is moment mu1 dash, mu2 dash, mu3 dash and mu4 dash we require. So we finding these values by preparing table. This is the table for finding mu1 dash, mu2 dash, mu3 dash and mu4 dash. In this table here we can see in first column there is x values, in second column frequencies of that respective x values, and for here we can see summation of all the frequencies is equal to 310 here written, and third column is u is equal to x minus 3.5 upon 0.5. If we put value of x to here, then we will get u is equal to minus 3. If we put value of x 2.5 here, then we will get u is equal to minus 2. As like this, we find the values of u by putting respective values of x. Then here we can see the next column is f and u product. Means here simply you can done by 4 into minus 3 there is minus 12, and 36 into minus 2 where we get minus 72. As like we find frequency fu, and here we make summation of fu, that is equal to 36. In next column here we can see fu square. Means for finding fu square, here we make the square of u value and then multiply with frequency, then we will get fu square. And if you make summation of this, then summation fu square is equal to 560. For next column fu cube, we make cube of this column and multiply with frequency and write here, then we find fu cube, and here summation fu cube is equal to 204. Next column is fu raised to 4. For finding fu raised to 4 values, we make the fourth power of minus 3 and multiply with 4, that is respective frequency, and write here. As like this we can done the fu raised to 4, and last we make summation of fu raised to 4 is equal to 2480. Here we can see summation f is equal to 310, summation fu is equal to 36, summation fu square is equal to 560, summation fu cube is equal to 204, summation fu raised to 4 is equal to 2480. These values are required for finding the values of mu1 dash, mu2 dash, mu3 dash and mu4 dash. For finding moments about arbitrary mean, we use formula for mu r dash is equal to h raised to r summation fu raised to r upon summation f. In previous slide, we are discussed the values of summation fu raised to r and summation f. So here, if we put r is equal to 1, then we will get mu1 dash is equal to h summation fu upon summation f, that is equal to class width is 0.5 and summation fu is our 36 value come, and summation f is equal to 310. Then we will, if we put these values, then we will get mu1 dash is equal to 0.058064. If we put r is equal to 2 in this equation, then we will get mu2 dash is equal to h square summation fu square upon summation f. If we put value of h, that is 0.5, and make it square, and summation fu square and summation f values, that is here we can see summation fu square is 560 and summation f is 310. If we put this value 560 and 310, then we will get mu2 dash is equal to 0.451612. If we put r is equal to 3 in above equation, then we will get mu 3 dash is equal to h cube summation f u cube upon summation f, that is equal to 0.5 cube, and summation f u cube is 204 and summation f is 310. Then mu 3 dash is equal to 0.082259. If we put mu 4 is equal to mu 4, if we put r is equal to 4 in this equation, then we will get mu 4 dash is equal to h raised to 4 summation f u raised to 4 upon summation f, that is equal to, if we put the value of summation f u raised to 4, that is 2480 value, and summation f is 310, then we will get mu 4 dash is equal to 0.5. If here we get the values of mu 1 dash, mu 2 dash, mu 3 dash and mu 4 dash. From this we find central moments mu 1 dash, mu 1, mu 2, mu 3 and mu 4. So here for central moments mu 1 is equal to 0 and mu 2 is equal, we have the relation for mu 2 is equal to mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash square. If we put the values of mu 1 dash and mu 2 dash in this equation, then we will get mu 2 is equal to 0.44824. We have the relation for mu 3 is equal to mu 3 dash minus 3 mu 2 dash into mu 1 dash plus 2 mu 1 dash cube. If we put the values of mu 1 dash, mu 2 dash and mu 3 dash in this equation, then we will get mu 3 is equal to 0.0039826. If we put in next we see the relation mu 4 is equal to mu 4 dash minus 4 mu 3 dash into mu 1 dash plus 6 mu 2 dash into mu 1 dash square minus 3 mu 1 dash raised to 4. In this, if we put values of mu 1 dash, mu 2 dash, mu 3 dash and mu 4 dash, then we will get mu 4 is equal to 0.48999. After finding values of mu 1, mu 2, mu 3 and mu 4, we can find the coefficient beta 1, that is coefficient of kurtosis, and coefficient of, here beta 1 is the coefficient of skewness and beta 2 is the coefficient of kurtosis. Beta 1 is equal to mu 3 square upon mu 2 cube. If we put third central moment value and second central moment value, then we get beta 1 is equal to 1.76549. If you put in beta 2 relation, beta 2 is equal to mu 4 upon mu 2 square. In that, if you put the fourth central moment and second central moment value, then we will get beta 2 is equal to 2.43874. Here beta 1 is the coefficient of skewness and beta 2 is the coefficient of kurtosis. In that, we can see here this, in this example we have to find 4 central moment and coefficient beta 1 and beta 2. Beta 1 is the coefficient of skewness, beta 2 is the coefficient of kurtosis. For finding that, we require the 4 central moment, that is mu 1, mu 2, mu 3 and mu 4. For finding that 4 central moment, we require mu r dash, that is moment about arbitrary mean, mu 1 dash, mu 2 dash, mu 3 dash and mu 4 dash. For finding that value, we prepare the table, and by using this formula we can find the mu 1 dash, mu 2 dash, mu 3 dash and mu 4 dash. And by using these relationships we find mu 2, mu 3 and mu 4 value, and by putting this value in beta 1 relationship, that is coefficient of skewness, we get beta 1 is equal to 1.76549, and if we put that central moment value in beta 2 relation, then we get coefficient of kurtosis beta 2 is equal to 2.43874. This is all about example of moment, skewness and kurtosis. Thank you.